Hey everyone, welcome back to LeetCode Unlocked. Today's daily problem is short, sweet, and a great beginner-level challenge that tests your hash map fundamentals. We're solving LeetCode problem 1394, find the lucky integer in an array. Given an array of integers, return the largest lucky integer. A lucky integer is defined as a number that appears in the array exactly that many times. If no such integer exists, return -1. For input array 2, 2, 3, 4, output 2, because 2 appears exactly 2 times. This is a perfect use case for a frequency map. Here's the plan. Count the frequency of each number using an unordered map. Iterate through the map and check if any number appears x times, where x is equal to the number itself. Keep track of the maximum such lucky integer. If no lucky integer is found, return -1. We build the frequency map using a simple loop. Then we scan through the map and check if any number's value equals its frequency. If it does and is greater than our current ands, we update it. If no such number exists, ands remains -1. For input array of 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, frequency map 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1. 2 is lucky, appears 2 times. 3 is also lucky, appears 3 times. We return max 2, 3 equals 3. Output 3. Time complexity will be big O(n) and space will be big O(n) because of hash map. And that's how we solve find lucky integer in an array. It's a great example of how simple frequency logic can solve real interview problems. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more clean breakdowns, and check out our LeetCode daily playlist.